Hi, it's Sharon LaFlamme with the Toothbrush Yoga series talking about the vagus nerve and its ability to make you feel safe. And one of the ways we tone it is some of breath work, which I showed you some last week. And this week, come with me as I guide you through this really powerful breath using the diaphragm. So just sit still or stand still and allow yourself to feel the weight into your feet. And just notice that and be present with it. And let go of everything else around you if you can. Closing your eyes will really help. And start to bring your awareness inside to maybe noticing your breath moving through you. And you don't need to judge it and you don't need to think about it. Just be aware of it and feel it from the inside. And then with your next inhale breath, allow it to come into your nostrils. Watch and feel it. Draw down the windpipe past your belly button, and the whole balloon of your belly fills and swells. As you release it, it contracts. And just feel that happening. And notice and allow the breath to maybe come fuller, deeper down and fill you longer. And the breath might start to rise up into the ribs because you're so full down in the belly. And it might even start to come all the way up into the collars, but it might not because you're just allowing it. You're not struggling, you're not forcing it, you're not trying. You're just allowing yourself to breathe in and breathe out. And just notice and be with it. And if you start thinking, just come back to the breath. No problem. No worries. And if you can do 10 really smooth, rhythmic, with all your attention and awareness on your breath, it can change your nervous system, settle you down if you're getting agitated, anxious, and it will tone your vagus nerve. So we'll do more wonderful ways to tone your vagus nerve next time. So join me. And now have an unanxious vagus toned day. Namaste.